Dive into the dynamic world of forklift operation, where mastering the controls can steer your career to new heights. But it's not just about maneuvering through aisles, it's about unlocking a gateway to growth, safety, and financial rewards. Consider the financial perks. Certified forklift operators often enjoy a heftier paycheck compared to peers without this credential. With unions potentially advocating for your wage increase post-certification, that extra training translates directly into extra earnings. Imagine the satisfaction as your bank balance climbs with every skillful lift and load. Beyond the bump in income, certification equips you with a robust skill set. It's not merely about operating the machinery, it's an education in the diverse forklift types, including the eco-friendly electric ones powered by lithium batteries. These skills extend beyond the warehouse, fostering patience, keen observation, and leadership, traits that shine in any setting. And let's talk career trajectory. Forklift certification is a beacon on your resume, signaling to employers your readiness for responsibility and advancement. Whether you're eyeing a promotion or exploring new horizons, this license is your passport, often recognized across state lines and international borders. It's not just a certification, it's a career catalyst waiting to propel you forward.